My beautiful and amazing people. Hey, now truth na dey talk say in as much as say a madman wey dey waka for street no be your family member, you fit see am on a fateful day say e dey pick bread dey chop, you go dey laugh. But when e affect you as a person, you go know talk say no be better thing to be a madman. Omo, guys, no be small thing o. As we speak right about now, Chantel wey be Ned Nwoko fourth wife don come fire back at Ned Nwoko. According to her, she don confirm wetin Regina Daniel come out come talk, wey people dey think say na she dey in the influence of druggy, say make she go to rehab, make she go treat herself, say she no get evidence to back all the cho wey she dey come online come do. Na wetin some people open mouth dey talk for comment section o. Say Regina Daniel, ever since she dey come out, dey come dey talk this, talk that, she never come out with any evidence. But Ned Nwoko don come out with plenty evidence to back up all im claim, and that certain result of Regina Daniel medical druggy matter sotey e come out, which automatically means that Ned Nwoko was never lying. Whereas na wetin Ned Nwoko want make e happen, na im dey happen like this. So im want make dem no ever believe Regina Daniel, which is exactly what is happening now. And also im wan hold Regina Daniel children by using druggy. We know the law of the land, say in as much as say they tag you as a druggy person, you no fit get access to your children because they believe you are not mentally stable, you are not mentally okay to take care of children. So as such, they go collect your children from your hand. That is to show that now like this, until Regina Daniel go rehab, get a result from them after undergoing the rehab, finish the rehab, collect certificate from them, say she don heal, she don dey alright, before she go fight for this case, take win the case. Now, according to Chantel, she say the same thing happened to her when this whole thing happened. Exactly Regina Daniel own, but during her own time, she no get name, she no get media, she no get anybody, na only her family na she get. And her family, they no be drama king and queen. They no want, they to themselves na thing of shame, so they even they cover am up. They no want make people know about am. So as such, they no even want shout. They just carry the matter enter house, look for a way to treat her. Say the one wey shortalize people the more was when she come dey see say she by herself come dey talk say she wan go back to Ned Nwoko, just like that. Na her people say this one no dey ordinary. Say they go need to carry her go church. When they carry her go church, na pastor come dey confirm am say the thing wey Ned Nwoko take hold them allegedly say e strong gan. Say no be only her, all im wives put together. Say why dem think say all of Ned Nwoko's wife and im dey stand on im rule say im no dey marry person wey no be veve. Why dem think say im dey find veve up and down? My people, now she don come confirm wetin Regina Daniel write the other day, where Regina talk say Ned Nwoko knack her before the marriage. As a result of that, say belle come enter. As the belle enter, they no get choice than to remove am because the mama will never be in support of it. Just to confirm it that Regina was a veve, na im make Ned Nwoko knack am, make him dey sure. Say you no go just come open your mouth say you be veve for where Ned Nwoko dey o. Im go first test am first. E don become soup. Hey God o. Im go first carry the soup, test am first, to dey sure say no be lie you dey lie make him marry you first. Because according to Chantel, she say because if Ned Nwoko don marry you, for you to comot for that marriage, you need serious backing and prayers. Say this one wey Regina Daniel dey do now, say she need serious prayers. Prayers wey be say e go stand for her anywhere, na im she need, and fasting. Make im mama go pray fervently for her. Say Regina was even lucky that she has media, and also she gets small, e be like say Ned Nwoko love her small, because ever since she was in that house, which is the Chantel na im dey talk now, say as she dey for that house, she never for one day fit raise her voice at Ned Nwoko. Anything wey Ned Nwoko dey talk, na yes sir, yes sir. Even to look am for face, she no fit. Even if dem come to knack, wey dem go say husband and wife wan knack, dem dey happy, dem dey laugh first, dem dey play, say nothing like that. Wey make me come go back to all their picture and the video wey him and Leila dey do ever since dem dey comot. Dis same Leila wey get mouth come out, come dey drag Regina Daniels so. The same Leila, if you observe all her videos wey she dey do, wey she dey comot with Ned Nwoko, if una watch am well, una go see am say omo, no be small thing. Nothing like say she dey fit look am for face. Even to hold am for hand sef sometimes, she go need to look im face first before she go hold am for hand. But for Regina own end, e dey hold her like baby. E dey carry Regina like small pikin, like say na im born am. Say e be like say e even love Regina in a way. Say that very wey im dey find up and down, say no be ordinary. Say no be ordinary o. Because if you tell am say you be e no go believe until e do the do, which automatically means that that thing wey Regina Daniels come talk, she no lie at all. Say after when Ned Nwoko knack am as a na im belle come enter. As belle enter, small tiny devil wey be Ann come advise her say omo, if the whole world get to know say you as a 17-year-old girl, you go carry belle for, abi she never even reach 17 according to her. Say if dem know say as a teenager you go carry this belle, e no go make sense o. Say na im dem tear wrist go comot am, wey come make dem rush say make dem do the marriage. As e be say im don know say she be e don use her do wetin e wan do. Say that of a thing na another sign, thing im get wetin im dey use am dey do. My people, wonders dey say it shall never end. Nothing wey person no go hear o. She come go further saying that again Regina Daniels talk about druggy. Say even though she dey try to deny it again later on, because of people come talk say why she come admit say she dey into druggy. Say Ned Nwoko dey use, allegedly o, according to Chantel, say Ned Nwoko dey always go even tell you to your face say make you go, you never take this and thing. If the druggy wey you dey take no dey, e go carry wine make una high first, so that e go fit knackademus wetin no good, so that you go fit do, so that you go fit help in fantasy. Make you know say e be like say even the knackademus too, e be like say to knack, e get another thing wey im dey use am dey do o. The knacking again, another thing dey am. Because I no understand why before you go knack your wives dem, you go need dem make dem dey high. You go need dem make dem high on things and things before you go fit knack dem. And you as a man, you go need to dey on high voltage of things and things before you too you go fit do. Wey make Regina talk am say at this point sef, Ned Nwoko don get sickness wey be say anytime wey im take that thing wey im dey take knack dem, the thing dey give am high blood pressure. Wey be say the other time im think say im dey come, im no know say im dey go. Imagine when you think say you dey come on top of woman, at the end of the day na go na you dey go instead of to come. Na im Regina come out bin come talk this today like this o. Na im dey say Chantel bin don even talk am before. No be say na Regina be the first person wey don talk the matter. Regina only confirmed it, and Chantel also confirm it. Say no be lie. Say Ned Nwoko dey use that Virginia take do wetin im gat to do. My people, it is well o in Ned Nwoko's house. Lot of things dey happen. You wey no know go think say e dey rosy. You wey no know go think say na thank you and very much dey there. Whereas na things and things dey happen wey eye no fit even see finish and wey mouth no fit talk. Say thank God for Regina Daniels, and that she dey advise let Regina and her mother go to a very big prayer house where they will sleep there, do fasting, make dem no even comot for there o, because during her time Then go, she and her mama, which is the Chantel, with her mother, go stay for the prayer place. Dem kabash, they do fasting, do prayer. No be small prayer. They almost do dry fasting inside this matter. Her mama almost pie put because of setting Chantel free. Say now is not the time for Regina to come dey banter words with Ned Nwoko. Say na Regina, you see say true true, na Regina be the only person wey fit look Ned Nwoko in the eyes, call am by im name, tell am wetin she wan tell am without fear or favour. Say make Regina, if she wan fight Ned, she need to stand for prayer, stand with her God with her full chest. If not, all this online say e no go help her o. The online go help her solve some, but in the other realm, the spiritual aspect of it, say e no fit solve am o. Say because people bin come dey ask Chantel say, as beautiful as you are, as sweet and good looking as you are, wetin you dey find for dis man body? Wetin you go find for dis marriage? Na im Chantel open mouth talk am say wetin person no know e pass am. Say until you comot for dis marriage na you go know say nothing dey am, and that anytime wey Ned Nwoko wan come to marry you, after e don lick the don comot the flower wey dey for on top of your thing finish, that time you no go come get 100% choice again, rather than to say abeg o, dis one wey be say na dis man come comot dis flower like dis, make I just consider am. After all, e kukuma come get money, because according to dey say Ned Nwoko go promise you thank you, promise you very much, promise say e go carry you go there, carry you go here, carry you go there. At the end of the day, you no go come get wetin you really ask for. Na what I ask versus what I got, what I ordered versus what I got. E go start dey give unnecessary complaint, giving different stories wey no even align, wey no match. At the end of the day sef, you go come scatter your dis thing. Even the money wey im dey give you, you go later dey use am dey buy things and things wey you go take do, make you no come dey see am like say you dey do with your ancestors. My people, it is well o. Na im be say Regina Daniel really try. Dat girl really went through a lot. If to say Regina don dey dat kind 30 years, 25 years, na im she marry dis man, nobody go even dey talk, because dem know say whether na clear eye o or dirty eye o, no one, she know wetin she dey do. But as a small child, as a girl child wey no even know anything, wey the mama see say dis person e no gbadu finish, e still carry im pikin give dis man. Chai, my people, it is well o. Now Chantel don advise. Even before now, I see some people for comment section dey advise Regina and her mother make dem go prayer house. No be lie o. They say make Regina and im mother go prayer house. According to Chantel, say na exactly wetin happen to her for Ned Nwoko house, na im still dey happen to Regina so, but just that her own come worse pass Regina own now, because Regina get people. Her own people, they are not in support. They no even want make people hear am, because her people get money. They no want make people hear am. Say you go put your hand for here, so you be this. They don't want spoiling of name, and they just enter house so that e go quick comot for people head. But you know say this Regina own now, internet no dey forget. 100 years to come, e go still dey for the media space. But Chantel say her parents say they no want back and forth on social media, and they don't want anything disgraceful something. Ned Nwoko be intent to disgrace them as they leave am for God, forge ahead. Na her God na im come dey scatter Ned Nwoko. Na Chantel be Ned Nwoko, na Regina be Ned Nwoko karma. According to Chantel, she say she been dey wait for a day like this, because ever since this whole thing happen, she just dey pray inside her mind that God, fight my battle. I know you will do it. As this man decide to disgrace me, Father, please disgrace him. As this man decide to rub me for potopoto, put me to shame, Father, please put am to shame. And exactly her prayer na im come dey happen so. Fortunately, na Regina na im come be im karma, and she came right on time, make him enjoy am while it lasts. Na im make she dey tell Regina now say, as you dey fight am physically, make she enter the spiritual house. Say na she wey don comot, na she know wetin her eye see, na she know wetin dey go through. Say e no go easy, but when they meet the right prayer man, they go know, and e go definitely set her free. My people, it is well o. Make una put Regina Daniel for una prayer o. If you know you ever loved this lady, if you know you also have a female child, if you know you feel pity for her for one reason or the other. I know say everybody get the one wey dey disturb am, everybody get the one wey dey worry am. You never even finish pray for yourself before they go tell you make you pray for person. But abeg, once in a while, if you remember her, put her in your prayer. Let this too come and pass. Even though some people go shout, why I go pray for her when she dey enjoy? I know, but now is not the time. Regina need help. She need prayer. If not, where you go know say wetin Chantel dey talk, small atom of truth dey am. After confirming wetin Regina dey talk now, for her to still insist that she should go to prayer house, say because to leave Ned Nwoko na case o, which is exactly what is happening now. As if Ned Nwoko na narcissist true true. Regina say she no do again. He say she must do, and he must carry her go rehab. Person get himself. He say he no wan go rehab. He wan kolo mentus. Leave am make him kolo. You still say na lie. He must not kolo. You must carry am go rehab. No be juju be that. My people, wetin be una take for this one? Abeg make una put Regina for prayer o. She need una prayer, like seriously. The mothers in the house, the Regina Daniel fans, her sisters, her brothers. We are all brothers and sisters now. Make we pray for her. She deserve am, whether in one way or the other, even if she is not related to us, because people will also pray for us one day, all our children, they might not be related to us, and God will answer their prayers in our lives. So I beg, make una put Regina for una prayer. Make una help us share this video so that she go fit see am, make she fit know whether e go reach to her or reach to person wey dey close to her. Make she listen to this one, make she find solution to her problem right on time before it is too late. God will never allow it to be too late. God will never allow Ned Nwoko to succeed in her life by the special grace of God. So guys, na the update be this. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use Gonite beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.